Hello everyone, I am Ajay Medti. I am pursuing final year of Aeronautical Engineering at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In this video, I am gonna talk about my tech talk topic called Enhancement of Safety Measures to Prevent Air Accidents from the subject of Automatic Control of Aircraft. Yeah, without any delay, uh, let's start. Let's get started. Yeah, we will understand what is meant by the aircraft enhancement safety measures, and then we will understand the methodologies and the safety measures that that should be taken to reduce the air accidents. Yeah, in the dynamic realm of aviation, safety stands as an unwavering cornerstone. The quest for ensuring safer skies is an ongoing journey marked by continuous innovation, steadfast commitment, and unwavering vigilance. Today, as we dwell into the topic of enhancing safety measures to prevent air accidents, we embark on a collective endeavor to fortify the very foundations upon which the aviation industry soars. Air travel has undeniably transformed the world, connecting distant lands and cultures while fostering economic growth and global exchange. Yet, amidst the marvel of flight, the spectre of accident looms ever present, reminding us of the imperative to remain steadfast in our pursuit of safety excellence. This presentation endeavors to explore the multifaceted landscape of aviation safety, dwelling into current challenges, technological advancements, regulatory frameworks, and collaborative initiatives that collectively shape the trajectory towards accident prevention. By dwelling into the intricacies of safety enhancement, we aim to underscore the gravity of our collective responsibility and the profound impact of concerted action in safeguarding the lives of passengers, crew, and all those who travels the skies. And we will discuss in depth about it. And here, the aircraft operation safety, the flight crew member interface, regulatory procedures, airworthiness maintenance. Yeah, before before going to take off, the aircraft should undergo the maintenance and services. Yeah, we have to check whether the every component, like the main components like engine, wing, and the landing gears, all should be uh, corrected. Yeah, because a minute error can cause the accident or the human loss and the operation loss. So we have to be very careful in this aircraft. Importance of aircraft's air safety. Air safety stands as a paramount concern within the aviation industry, underpinning every facet of operation and decision making. Its significance cannot be overstated as it directly impacts the lives of millions of passengers, crew members, and countless others on the ground. The importance of air safety resonates on multiple levels. Human lives at the heart of air safety is the preservation of human life. Every individual who steps onto an aircraft entrusts their safety to the hands of pilots, crew members, maintenance personnel, and regulatory bodies. Ensuring the highest standards of safety minimizes the risk of accidents and protects the lives of those aboard. Industry sustainability, legal and regulatory compliance, economic impact. Air accident not only results in tragic loss of life, but also have far-reaching economic repercussions. The financial toll of accidents extends beyond the immediate cost of investigation and compensation to include damage to airline reputations, loss of consumer confidence, and potential legal liabilities. Furthermore, disruptions to air travel can ripple through economics affecting tourism, trade, business activities. Public confidence. The perception of safety profound influence public confidence in air travel. Maintaining a stellar safety record is essential for fostering trust and encouraging individuals to choose air transportation as their preferred mode of travel. A robust safety culture instills confidence among passengers, reassuring them that their well being is the top priority of airlines and regulatory authorities. Despite advancements, air accidents persist. In the face of remarkable technologies progress, uh, stringent safety protocols, the occurrence of air accidents remains a sobering reality within the aviation industry. Despite the tireless efforts of stakeholders to mitigate risks and enhance safety measures, accidents continue to occur, often attributed to a complex interplay of factors. Human error. Human fallibility remains one of the leading contributors to air accidents. Despite rigorous training and standardized procedures, pilots, air traffic controllers, and maintenance personnel may succumb to errors in judgment, situational awareness, or execution. From misinterpreting instruments to experience fatigue or distraction, human factors undergo the importance of ongoing training, crew resource management, and error prevention strategies. Technical failures and external factors. Overview of safety measures. Ensuring the safety of air travel involves multi-faceted approach encompassing various safety measures: pilot training, aircraft maintenance, aircraft traffic control system, safety management system. Advanced technology solutions. Innovative technologies play a vital role in enhancing aviation safety. Predictive maintenance. Utilization of predictive maintenance algorithms and health monitoring systems allows for early detection of potential issues, enabling proactive maintenance and reducing the risk of in-flight failures. Automation. Advanced automation features in aircraft systems streamline operations, enhance precision, and reduce the workload on pilots, improving overall safety and efficiency. Enhanced cockpit technologies. State-of-art cockpit technologies such as synthetic vision systems, terrain awareness and warning systems, and enhanced avionics provide pilots with enhanced situational awareness and decision support capabilities. Data analytics. Leveraging big data analytics and machine learning algorithms enables the analysis of vast amounts of safety data, identifying trends, patterns, and potential risks to involve safety improvements. Regulatory standards. Regulatory bodies establish and enforce stringent safety standards to ensure compliance and accountability. International Civil Aviation Organization sets global standards and recommended practices for aviation safety, security, and environmental protection, guiding member states in the development of national regulations. Federal Aviation Administrations, European Union aviation safety agencies. Human factor training. Human factors and training initiatives focus on addressing human related aspects of safety. Crew resource management training programs emphasize effective communication, teamwork, and decision making skills among flight crews to mitigate human errors and improve situational awareness. Fatigue management. Sorry. Fatigue management strategies for managing fatigue among pilots. Continuous training.